Hey kids! This is Captain AHS. Welcome to the world of creativity, where our family is about to embark on a fun-filled journey with Scratch. Get ready to see how they make their sprites soar high in the sky.
Baba, we found this amazing program called Scratch. We can create our own games.
That sounds like a lot of fun. What do you want to create?
We want to make our sprite fly. Can you help us do that?
Absolutely. Let's see how we can make that happen together. First, we need to choose a sprite. Look at all these fun characters. How about we use a bird?
Yes. Birds fly high in the sky.
Clicks on the Choose a Sprite button, and here we go. Now our bird is ready to fly. To make our bird fly, we need to add some code. Let's start with the green flag block. Click on Events and select the green flag block.
What does that do?
This block tells the computer to start the program when we click the green flag, like pressing play on a video. Next, we want the bird to fly up into the sky. Go into Control and select the Forever block. Click on Looks and select the next costume block. Next, go into the Control, select the first block and adjust the time to 0.2 seconds.
What does these blocks do?
Great question. In Scratch, these code blocks makes the sprite fly. Like this, when we click on green flag, the bird wings will start moving.
Wow, the bird wings are moving! Can we make it glide further?
Yes. Let's see how it works first. Click on the motion and select the first block. Now press the green flag to see how the bird is flying.
It's flying. Look at it go. It is really so cool and fun.
What are Saro and Mina doing inside?
They're making their sprite fly in Scratch. Baba Ali is helping them.
That sounds awesome. I will go and check them.
What's all the commotion about?
We're making a bird fly in Scratch. You have to see this.
Okay, let's run the animation one more time.
Wow, that's so cool.
Now that we have our bird flying, let's make it turn and swoop. We can add a turn block. Click on Motions and select Turn 15-degree block. This will make our bird turn while flying. Let's see what happens.
It's dancing in the air.
What have you created now?
We made a bird that can fly and do tricks.
That's fantastic. You all did an amazing job.
It's time for the quiz. What is a sprite in Scratch? Option A, a background image. Option B, a sound effect. Option C, a character or object. Option C, a character or object. Which block is used to make a sprite fly towards in Scratch? Option A, change X by. Option B, move 10 steps. Option C, switch costumes. Option B, move 10 steps. Which Scratch block allows you to make the sprite rotate or change its direction while flying? Option A, turn block. Option B, glide block. Option C, forever loop. Option A, turn block. Which block would you use to make a sprite glide smoothly to a new position instead of moving instantly? Option A, move 10 steps. Option B, glide X, Y. Option C, repeat until. Option B, glide to X, Y. What is the green flag in Scratch software used for? Option A, to stop the project. Option B, to change the background. Option C, to start the project. Option C, to start the project. Up next, let's take your sprite on a smooth adventure. Get ready to see it glide and move effortlessly across the screen. Don't miss out on the fun!